If you're still manually making YouTube shorts one by one, let me be the one to tell you, you're doing it wrong. With AI, you could be cranking out unlimited original shorts faster than you can brainstorm a title. And no, you don't need fancy skills or even a camera to do it. If you're not taking advantage of AI to grow on YouTube, you're missing out in a big way. So let's fix that. Let's start from the top. YouTube Shorts are massive right now. They're short, snappy, and highly addictive. And that's exactly why they're being pushed so hard by YouTube's algorithm. They're the perfect format to reach people who just want quick, engaging content. But making shorts consistently? That's where most people hit a wall. It's time-consuming, especially if you're doing all the scripting, editing, and voiceovers yourself. That's where AI comes in. With the right tools, you can skip the hard, nitty-gritty stuff and focus on growing your channel. Step 1. Pick a niche. Before we even touch the tools, let's talk about your niche. Picking a niche isn't just about what you like. It's about finding a balance between what you enjoy and what people actually want to watch. This is important because it sets the tone for everything you do on your channel. Let's say you're interested in sharing random interesting facts. That's a great niche because it has wide appeal. People are always curious and love learning new things. It also gives you endless ideas to work with, so you'll never run out of content. You don't want to start a channel and then feel stuck after a week because your niche is too narrow. Step 2. Set up your channel. Don't overthink this part. Your channel doesn't have to be perfect from day one, but it does need to look professional. For the name, keep it simple and memorable. You don't need to spend hours brainstorming. AI tools like ChatGPT can do that for you. Type in something like, "Suggest channel names for a random fun facts channel," and it'll give you plenty of ideas. Once you have a name, move on to the visual side of things. A good logo makes your channel look polished, and you don't need to hire a designer to make one. Use tools like Canva or an AI logo generator. They'll walk you through the process, so even if you've never done design work before, you'll end up with something that looks great. Your channel description should be straightforward and tell people what your channel is about. For example, if our channel is about random fun facts, we can say something like, "This is the place for random and fascinating facts about the world. Subscribe for content that'll make you smarter in under 60 seconds." Keep it simple and to the point. People decide quickly whether to subscribe, so don't waste their time with fluff. Again, you can use ChatGPT for this. Step 3. Research and plan your content. Now that your channel is ready, let's move to the content itself. Here's where most people struggle. They don't know what to post. The truth is, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You just have to know what's trending and put your spin on it. Research tools like VidIQ are perfect for this. You can sign up for a free account using the link in the description. This helps you find trending topics and keywords that people are already searching for. For example, if weird facts about space is trending, you can make a series of shorts about the strangest things scientists have discovered in the universe. Using tools like VidIQ gives you a roadmap, so you're not just guessing or hoping people will watch your content. Step 4. Create YouTube Shorts with AI. Now comes the fun part, actually creating the videos. And this is where the real magic of AI happens. We're going to use a tool called BigMotion AI. If you've never heard of it, let me break it down. BigMotion AI is designed to make the entire video for you. It's built for people who want to make faceless videos. So if the thought of being on camera makes you cringe, this tool is perfect. You don't need a microphone, editing software, or any fancy skills. Everything is handled by the AI. Here's how it works. Once you log into BigMotion AI, the first thing you'll do is set up a video series by clicking on the plus Create Series button. Now, pick your content type. I'll pick Fun Facts, then Next. Then, connect your account. Pick your language and select the video style. I'll go for BigMotion, then click Next. Then, pick from one of these voices. Play a voice or two and pick one. And pick from one of these background music tracks, or leave it as none if you don't like any of these. After all the settings are in place, you hit Generate, and the AI takes care of the rest. It pulls everything together, text, visuals, audio, and turns it into a finished video. In a few minutes, you have a professional-looking short ready to upload. No filming, no editing, just results. Step 5. Upload your YouTube short. While you upload your video, you'll want to optimize it for views. BigMotion AI will give you a title and description for your video, so just copy those and paste them into YouTube. You can add the keywords that you researched earlier from VidIQ so that the shorts are shown to the right people. Step 6. Stay consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to building a channel. You don't need to post every day, but you should have a regular schedule. This keeps your audience engaged and helps you stay on YouTube's radar. One of the best ways to stay consistent is to batch create your content. Instead of making one video at a time, set aside a few hours to create multiple videos in one go. With BigMotion AI, this is super easy because the process is so streamlined. Once you've created a batch of videos, schedule them in advance using YouTube's scheduling feature. That way, you can focus on other things while your channel stays active. Step 7. Get monetized. This is the part everyone's curious about. YouTube has specific requirements you need to meet before you can start earning money from the YouTube Partner Program. For long-form videos, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. For shorts, the bar is a little different. You need 10 million views in the last 90 days. That might sound intimidating, but shorts are designed to go viral. They're quick, shareable, and perfect for capturing attention. If you post consistently and use the right keywords, you can hit those numbers faster than you think. Once your channel is monetized, the money starts coming from ads. For shorts, YouTube shares a portion of the ad revenue with creators. The more views you get, the more you earn. It's that simple. And here's the thing, AI tools like BigMotion make it easier to scale. Since you're not spending hours editing or scripting, you can focus on what really matters, creating more content and growing your audience. As your channel grows, keep an eye on your analytics. YouTube Studio is your best friend here. It shows you which videos are performing well, how long people are watching, and where your views are coming from. Use this data to fine-tune your strategy. For example, if you notice that videos about space facts get twice as many views as other topics, lean into that. Give people more of what they want. Creating unlimited original AI shorts is not just possible, it's easy thanks to tools like BigMotion AI. You don't need a big budget, fancy equipment, or years of experience. All you need is a clear niche, the right tools, and a willingness to stay consistent. AI takes care of the tedious work, so you can focus on what really matters, sharing your content with the world. Start today, and who knows, your next video could be the one that goes viral. Have you heard of or used BigMotion AI before? Will you be trying it out? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.